Hey guys, it's your boy Peter Lou. You're watching The Real Wheel Deal, and today we're unboxing the TE37 SONIC made by VOLK Racing. So you have a Honda Fit, you have a Yaris, Mini Cooper, or a Miata, anything else with a 4x100 bolt pattern, and you're considering this set of wheels. Hopefully this unbox video helps you see what's in the box when you buy, or if you're kind of on the fence, then you're gonna know what to expect if you do go buy them and you're kind of unboxing them to see what's damaged, what to expect in there, how to make sure your wheels are guaranteed damage free. Then, keep watching this video. So first you're gonna receive your reserved a box like this. And the thing about the Sonic is such a small wheel. So it comes two in a box, that's why this box is so tall. And let's take a look outside, make sure you got everything you need out here. So of course, raise, this one here, you see is a 16-inch Sonic. There's a PO number here, made in Japan, all raised made in Japan. And one really important aspect I want to show you is this one. So this is an authorized dealer raise sticker. So that means this is sold through an authorized distribution chain, no gray market. That means that if you purchase this wheel from an authorized reseller, any damage, any problems you have, the dealer is an authorized dealer, they can talk to Raise directly and figure it out with you. So make sure you're supporting the dealers who have always been supporting Raise through their authorized channels. Down here on the bottom left, we have, of course, our manufacturer sticker for specifications. Here you see VOLK Racing TE37 SONIC. This is a 16x8. This is a 25 offset, 4x100, which all TE37 Sonics are. And this is bronze. So this BR bronze, that's for bronze almite, that's OG bronze. Turn over this way. Well, it says 16-inch Japan power. And now we'll get to opening the box. So that's what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this guy up. So notice first thing we have is we have these four protectors, which protect the face of the wheel, so it's being transported. So we get rid of those. You gotta make sure they're intact. So take a look at them, they're pretty strong. There's no damage on them. That means the wheel hasn't been knocked around. And before you even open it, when you're receiving it with the dealer, you want to be looking on the outside of the box, making sure that it hasn't been dinged up, hasn't been knocked around. So that means the wheel's going to be good. So first thing I do is I check inside of here, and it looks like there's no damage here. So that means our face is going to be no problem. And now we're doing a moment of truth. Got to do unveiling. So it comes with this raised protective cover, and you just got to take it off. Damn, I'm horny. Okay, so next thing I want to do is we want to take your wheel out. So we pull our wheel out and I'll put it aside for now. And you want to look inside here because this is two wheels packed. They're kind of sandwiched in there. In between there, you're going to have this booklet. So this is your official booklet. You want to make sure you have that in there. That has all the information you need to take care of your wheels. So first thing we have here, this piece, this kind is actually more for me than for you. It's to tell you where to hang the +R kind of dealer tag. So that, if you have it in your showroom, you can put this there because that's a raised certification of the strength of the wheel. We're gonna open this bag, I'll show you what else is in here. So one of the things in here is your raise booklet, and this raise booklet you see is aluminum wheel user's guide. Tells you exactly how to clean, take care, mount the wheels. If you're flipping through here, it has a lot of important information, tells you what kind of compliance it has. In here it talks a little bit about lug nut seating, so if you don't know what kind of lug nuts you need to seat your wheels, this probably has it. Most chances are conical. With this one, it's a Sonic, so you know that I can fit a center cap, so I have some center cap information as well here. And this part is the most important part. I would say you read about this. This talks about how you clean, how to prevent them from damage. So this is a very vital part, taking care of your raised aluminum wheels. The other important part you're gonna have is this raised warranty policy. So it's actually your warranty card. You look inside of here, it details what you're covered by. And here it has the raised warranty cards. You have all the make and model of everything and the warranty card that you can be filled out. And of course this side being a JDM wheel, we have a JDM side. So definitely complete. So now you're in here, you want to take out your second wheel. And of course you have these strong protection pieces again. And we have this cardboard piece in between. So sometimes your dealer, they're gonna have a packed face to face, so that the face is the most protected part of the wheel. And in this case, we have the face right here, and we have another one of the raised wheel protectors. So over here, right where you can see our wheel. I want to touch here because it's the middle of the box. This is where sometimes things hit. So there, it looks like it's pretty good, no damage. And then you pull it out. All right, so last thing you want to check for before you take your wheels home, if you're still with your dealer, is you want to make sure your air valve stems are in there. So I have in this white box here. Because this one is pack 2, so I want to make sure this says 2 pieces. You can see there it says there's 2 pieces in there. So you gotta make sure those come with your wheels, all the raised wheels that come with the valve stem. And open that up, make sure you have authentic raised valve stems inside there, because they actually use a different size than standard wheels. So after taking the wheel out of the box, you want to definitely inspect the whole wheel before you take them home. So right away, because it's a metal engraving, I check all the engravings here. So I touch it here, I touch it here, and make sure it's all good. I also check on the inside here. Just be careful because some of the corners are sharp, but I make sure there's no loose metal here. And of course I check here, make sure it's not D-shaped. So this one looks pretty good. Another thing about some of the bronze ones, I like to take a look. I make sure there's no discoloration during the anodizing process. So this one looks really good, pretty consistent. And you want to check the back here as well. So the back, you want to make sure that there's no loose metal here. And one important part I always check is the hub. So the hub, I want to make sure that it's really flat here, because back here, if it's not flat, it's not going to be able to mount the wheel. And I check inside here where it's cut, so no metal shavings hanging out there. And one thing I also check for is the stickers. So make sure all these stickers are intact. If they're not intact or they're a little bit peeling off, you want to make sure you flatten them down. Make sure it gives them that like good adhesion so that they stay preserved on the wheel for a long time. And last thing I check is on the outside here. I was checking on the outside here. Here you can see some marks here from the anodizing. So that's good. So looking on the edge here. Nothing that looks like it's messed up or something that's going to stop the tire from holding a bead properly. So that looks pretty good. Alright, so that completes my unboxing video of the VOLK Racing TE37 Sonic. I hope that video helped you guys make an informed decision. If you're unboxing, that you know what to look for, that when you're there with a dealer, you look through all the contents of the box, make sure wheels are damage free, make sure you know what you're looking for, exactly the steps I told you to make sure that it's something that when you get home, it's not a problem that you have to bring them back. So hopefully the unbox video gave you guys some information. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you have any other questions, okay? Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.